How to get Booking.com early bird deal. To secure or set up early bird deal on Booking.com, first of all, launch the application. Then you might want to search far in advance. Tap on the search bar, type in your destinations, and within the date panel, make sure that you select a huge chunk of date, such as 1 month or more than 30 days. Now, once you select this date, all you have to do is go ahead and then proceed to search for the destinations. You will find the discounted price over here, just like this. Or you can also look for specific campaign banners, which Booking.com regularly rolls out, global seasonal promotions, and keep an eye out for dedicated early year deals or seasonal getaway deals, which guarantees a minimum of 15% off on selective global properties. You can also stack with Genius loyalty levels. Always make sure you are logged into your free account. The early bird discount offered by the properties frequently stack with your Genius loyalty discounts, which you can see by simply tapping on your account icon on the bottom right corner. Then head to the reward section, or you should be able to find this rewards over here at the top. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.